You mentioned that there's three, you said one of three animals that are known to hunt people for food. What are the other two?
So it's polar bears, crocodiles, and tigers are the three that are like. Now, don't be mistaken by this. This is not referring.
You're not winning any of those. You have no chance in any of those.
You're not winning any of them. But this is not animals that have killed humans or whatever. These are the three animals that actively choose to hunt human beings in their environment, which is kind of crazy to think about because as a human, you feel above the animal food chain, right? We're sitting here in our clothes, in our offices, whatever, and you're like, I'm sort of above all of that. But those three animals, like this polar bear attack, actually choose to seek out and eat human beings, which is crazy.